Welcome back to Animal Alphabet. Today, we're learning about animals that start with the letter K. K can be used in kangaroo. Kangaroos live in rainforests and grasslands. Kangaroos eat grass, flowers, leaves, ferns, moths, and even insects. The letter K can be used in killer whale. A killer whale is a nickname of orca. Killer whales live in the ocean. They can even live in the Arctic. Killer whales eat seals, sea lions, fish, squids, seagulls, and even sharks. The letter K can also be used in koala. Koalas live in the forest, and they especially live in eucalyptus trees. Koalas eat eucalyptus leaves, which are very poisonous, but somehow they can handle it. Koalas mostly stay in trees, where it is safe from predators. K can also be used in Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons live in Komodo Island. They mostly live on land, but young Komodos can climb on the trees. Komodo dragons eat pigs, deer, water buffaloes, and will even eat smaller Komodo dragons. The letter K can also be used in koi. Koi lives in rivers, lakes, and ponds. Koi eats worms, larvae, algae, and plants. Thank you for studying with us again, and we'll see you in the next video.